Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add bank account on Amazon seller. So let's get into video. So open up Amazon and log into your Amazon account. So once I've logged into your Amazon account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on these on your profile here, so your profile account details, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click on it, and then here once you get to this your account page here, simply click on your payments. Click on your payments, and then here you will see all your cards and accounts details here. So if you want to add a card or account or bank account, simply click on add payment method. So simply click on add payment method, and here you will have the options, the different types of payment methods available for you to add based on your location. So some regions allow cards to be added and some allows bank accounts to be added. Like in my region, so only cards are allowed. So if your region supports bank account, then you will see bank account option here. So either card or bank account, all you have to do is hit on this add option here, click on the add button, and this will prompt you to enter the details of your card or else your bank account details, so whatever it is. So just plug those in and then hit on add, and that's it. Your bank account will be added to your wallet, so you can use this account for your transactions. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.